Today I'm going to show you how to make a deposit without an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This is useful for money that did not come from an invoice, such as a loan deposit, owner contribution, bank interest, or vendor refund. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Then select Bank Deposit. This opens the bank deposit form. At the top, choose the bank account where the money is being deposited. Next, enter the deposit date. Use the date the money actually hit your bank account or the date shown on your deposit slip. Now go to the Add Funds to this deposit section. In the Received From field, choose the person or company the money came from. Then choose the correct account in the Account field. For example, use an income account for miscellaneous income, an equity account for owner contributions, or a liability account for loan proceeds. Enter the deposit amount. If needed, add the payment method and a short description or memo. If you are depositing multiple amounts together, enter each one on a separate line so the total matches the amount shown on your bank statement. Before saving, review the bank account, date, received from name, category, memo, and total amount. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. If you use bank feeds, match this deposit to the downloaded bank transaction later instead of adding it again. And that's how to make a deposit without an invoice in QuickBooks Online in 2026.